Hi, my name is Liane.
Hi, and I'm John.
As many of you know, I'm a supervising hypnotherapist and I'm a relationship coach. And today I would like to introduce our new project we are in the middle of making. So it's called IntoU, and it is about relationships and meeting in a meaningful way. And John is my partner. He had this idea 15 years ago, and I would like John to introduce that concept.
Okay, all right. So my name is John Field. I'm a management leadership developer. I've been coaching for years, neurolinguistic programming, positive psychology, all that sort of stuff. It's all on my LinkedIn profile, and people know what I do. And this is a concept I thought of about 15 years ago, and the idea really is a sort of cross between speed dating and open university, so a way that people can meet and connect with each other, but also learn something at the same time. And what they're learning about is, relationships and how to connect with people. So that's the principal idea. Now this is, and as Liana said, my partner Kirsty found Liana on LinkedIn and said this is someone I should talk to. We're both local to in the Gloucestershire area, and we got together and we instantly realised we had the same kind of values around relationships and what was important, and in terms of how to help people do that. And there's a big need out there for this.
Yeah, so we want to keep it open so that's not only about a romantic relationship. It should be really helpful for everyone who's struggling or wants to learn more about work relationships, relationships with their children, with their parents, friends, because it is all about learning more about yourself and how you are in a relationship and how you are experiencing life and can increase your quality of life. And I'm really excited about it because when I worked with people one to one, I always had the feeling, there should be a platform out there when people have started working on themselves to experience it, to be with like minded people, to really kind of enjoy what they learned and see the progress they have made. And and I couldn't do that on a one-to-one basis, and that's why that project is really ticking a lot of boxes for me. And I'm excited about it.
Yeah, and for me too, is having run so many courses over the years, in-house and open courses, I so often get. I mean, literally every time I run a course, I wish my husband was here. I wish my partner had been here. I wish my teenage kids were getting this stuff at school, and this is my answer to that. And I feel very privileged and blessed that I met Liana as she says, a partner in crime to make this happen. So we're really looking forward to letting you know a lot more about this as it develops. We have obviously we're connecting up on LinkedIn. We'll have a Facebook group. There'll be details below for that. We're also on Meetup, and we're running events through Eventbrite. So we'll let you know all about that.
So see you there if you're interested, or check us out. Send us some question, whatever you feel like. That would be great. And
Yeah.
until then,
Okay.
bye
Till
for
then.
now.
Thanks.